Charles Piscopo going over lab exercise number 2, continued key concepts. 6 through 10 now. Key concept number 6 being the indents. So we'll go to the document. I can either come here and hit tab, or I can come up here and I want the first line indented. So I could take it and indent it this way, or I could do a right indent, or I could do a hanging indent, which I personally like a lot, but looks kind of weird. So that's key concept number 6. Key concept number 7 is going to be line spacing. Line spacing, we're going to stay on the home tab. So home tab, and this is the line spacing. And as you can see, you can mix up the line spacing like that. There's line spacing options. You can choose spacing before paragraph, indents, and there's a lot of different options you could choose for the line spacing, which was concept number 7. Concept number 8 is going to be bullets and numbering. So we're going to come and stay on home, the home tab. We'll go, let me move this over a little bit. We'll go to the middle-ish part of the document. As you can see, I did the bullets already. So what we can do is we'll highlight it. Let's say we want to change it to numbers. I didn't want to highlight that last part right there, so say we want to change to numbers. There's the numbers, but we'll stick with the bullets, and I'm going to stick with this guy right here. So that's your bullets and numbering, which was concept number 8 on the home tab. Now we're going to go to concept number 9, which is sort, also on the home tab. We're going to go right here with this A over Z, and we want to sort, not the whole page. I'm just going to highlight this. We'll come here to sort, and we want to do it descending, and you'll see how it changes. But let's take it back. Sort by paragraph. Text, you also have header row, no header row, and options. Let's try it by ascending. And I like it that. I like it when it first says all accommodations and meals are covered. So we'll move on to concept number 10, if I'm correct, and that is going to be page margins. For the page margins, we will be on the page layout tab. Come here to page layout, and as you can see, it says margins. So we could choose normal, narrow, so that's what narrow would look like. We could also choose wide, mirrored, office default, which is that. We had it on the normal. We'll stick with normal. But as you can also see, you can do custom margins. You can choose your margins from the top, left, the bottom, and the right. So there's a bunch of things you could do with the margins as well. So this is Charles Piscopo going over concepts 6 through 10, lab number 2. Hope you learned some, and I'll see you in class.